We're showing you 3 different ways to make pickled onions.
Pickled onions are a tangy and sweet burst of flavor. Crunchy, bright, and easy to make. They're our new favorite condiment. Here's number 1. Peel a medium-sized onion and finely dice it. You might shed a few tears.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Now add enough boiling water to cover the onions. Let rest for 20 minutes. This will remove the strong taste of the onion. Strain out the water and add the onions to a bowl. Juice 1 orange and 2 limes. Add the citrus juice to the onions, followed by a teaspoon of dried oregano. Add a generous pinch of salt and some pepper. By the way, if you add some habaneros to these onions, they make a delicious spicy salsa. In this case, we didn't. Stir together and store in a jar in the fridge. This is what it looks like after it's been sitting for at least 20 minutes. Now for number 2. Slice a red onion like this and separate the pieces.
It's gonna be worth it.
Place in a jar. We'll use these spices for the brine. Place them all in a small pot with oregano, salt, sugar, red wine vinegar, and water. Boil for 5 minutes, then remove the cinnamon stick, star anise, and bay leaves. While the brine is still hot, pour it over the onions in the jar. Add the spices you removed back in. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes, then shake it well. If you're finding this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support. Number 3. This time, dice the onion in large chunks and separate. Roughly chop a clove of garlic to make a paste. If you have a garlic press, you can use it. But here we show you how to make a garlic paste without one. Chop the garlic, add a pinch of salt, and rub together with the side of your knife until a paste is formed. Juice and de-seed 2 lemons. In a large pan on medium-low heat, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onion, garlic paste, and a pinch of salt, and stir constantly. Cook for 1 minute and no longer. This removes the strong taste of the onion, but since you only cook it for a minute, the onion remains crunchy. Remove from the heat and add the lemon juice, oregano, and more salt and pepper. Stir together and store in a jar. Leave to sit for at least 20 minutes before serving. Now you have 3 different types of pickled onions, each with a distinct texture and flavor. It's fun to experiment and see which works best with different foods. Let us know how you like to use pickled onions.
We love ours on top of chili.
Click here for our hearty veggie chili recipe.